Hey guys, it's Elliott Yeldham again, one of the podiatrists here at East Coast Podiatry in Singapore. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 exercises to relieve heel pain. Let's go. Heel pain can affect anyone. Individuals who are more likely to be afflicted include runners, people who spend a lot of time standing, overweight individuals, and pregnant women. This is due to the anatomy of the plantar fascia and Achilles tendon, which are at a biomechanical disadvantage for increased stress during walking and exercise. Overuse and repeated pressure on either can easily cause them to become inflamed, causing pain around the heel, leading to plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. If you suffer from heel pain, you may benefit from performing some of these foot stretches and exercises. These can help relieve pain, improve mobility, and strengthen the muscles and ligaments of the foot to prevent more serious conditions from developing in the future. Here are 5 simple exercises that you can try at home. Number 1, calf stretches. Press both hands against the wall. Extend one leg behind you whilst keeping your front leg bent. Slowly bend your front leg forward whilst keeping both heels on the ground. You should experience a stretch in the heel and calf muscles of the extended leg. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times on both legs. Number 2, roll out your plantar fascia. Sit on a chair and place a massage ball under your foot. Roll your foot back and forth over the ball. Do this for 2 minutes on both feet. If you do not have a massage ball, you can use any round object such as a tennis ball or water bottle. Number 3, plantar fascia stretch. From a seated position, lean over and grab your big toe. Pull it towards you. You should feel a stretch along the bottom of your foot. Repeat 3 times, holding for 20 to 30 seconds on each foot. Number 4, heel raise. Stand on the balls of your feet at the edge of a step. Lower your heels below the edge of the step in a slow and controlled manner. You should feel a stretch along the bottom of your foot and calf muscles. From this position, slowly raise your heels and complete 10 repetitions for 2 to 3 sets, resting in between sets. Number 5, toe towel curls. Sit upright in a chair and place a small towel under one foot. Curl your toes around the towel to scrunch it towards you. Do this 10 times for 2 sets on both feet. Performing these exercises daily can help improve flexibility, strengthen foot muscles, and relieve heel pain. They can also be done to reduce stress within soft tissues of the lower limb, feet and ankles to halt the development or progression of foot conditions. However, if the pain continues to persist despite your diligence doing these exercises, there might actually be some underlying causes that would require podiatrists, such as myself, to diagnose and treat. Okay guys, if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below and I will address them in my next video. Take care.
Thank you for watching. If you find our podiatry videos informative, please like and share them with someone who might find them useful. If you need to contact us or find one of our clinics, go ahead and take a screenshot now. To subscribe, you can click this button over here. See you in the next video.